Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate velocity chart here in Jira. So first, you want to go to Jira in your preferred web browser and you want to make sure that you have logged in into your account. Once you've logged in into Jira, we're going to navigate over here to the left side part and you're going to click on a space or a project that you want to create a velocity chart of. And once you're here, you will see reports over here at the top on the navigation bar. So you want to click on reports. And once you're here, you'll be able to see all of the templates that you can make a report of. So you're just going to click on velocity report over here. And once you're here, you'll be able to generate your velocity report. Jira will automatically generate this for you. So you can go ahead and check your data or analyze and review your velocity report from over here. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.